In Japan, the Masui Kamado is marketed as a rice cooker, and there's a reason for that. Inspired by traditional Japanese Kamado stoves, the Masui Kamado achieves even heat distribution that cooks every grain to perfection. With its dedicated rice cooking mode, the use is not limited to cooking just regular white rice. You can cook different types of grains as well as in different settings, like scorched rice and porridge. The purchase of the Masui Kamado comes with 2 measuring cups, one for water and one for rice. The rice cup measures slightly less than the U.S. standard 1 cup, so please be sure to use the vermicular rice cup when cooking vermicular's rice recipes. So let's try cooking some white rice. Measure your rice with the vermicular rice cup and wash it. Add your washed rice into the Masui and pour in water you measured with the vermicular water cup. Tap the bowl of rice icon and select the amount of rice you're cooking. By default, white rice will finish cooking in 60 minutes, 30 minutes of soaking, and 30 minutes of actual cooking. When you're in a hurry, you can reduce or cut the soaking time by holding the down button. You can also set the completion time to any time up to 12 hours ahead. When the rice is done cooking, fluff the rice with a spatula. Long grain rice like jasmine and basmati rice can also be cooked in the same way. Now let's try cooking some white rice in scorch mode. Add the washed rice and water into the Masui. Select scorch mode and enter the amount of rice you're cooking. And just like that, you can brown the rice and create a crispy texture like bibimbap. Once the rice cooking is done, make sure to fluff the rice with a spatula. Now let's try making some rice porridge. Make sure the lid is off to avoid boil over. 1 cup of rice to 900 milliliters of water will make you a pot full of porridge. Now let's try cooking some brown rice. When cooking brown rice, we'd recommend pre-soaking in a separate bowl for 6 hours. Make sure to change the water once soaking is done. Cycle through to select brown rice. The rest is the same as cooking white rice. By default, brown rice will finish cooking in 70 minutes without the soaking time. The Masui Kamado does not have a keep warm function. This is because letting the rice sit warm will lose its nice flavor and texture over time. Instead, we'd recommend freezing the rice in a freezer-safe container or plastic wrap while the rice is still warm. You can microwave it to defrost the rice, and it'll have the same flavor and texture as if it was freshly cooked. You can check out our website for a wide variety of rice recipes. We hope you enjoy cooking rice using the Masui Kamado's rice cooking mode.